it's Megan here, and in this video I'll be reviewing my JOYMOOP Mop and Bucket with the Wringer set. I'll be sharing everything I love about this mop and tell you a few things you might need to know before purchasing. So let's get into it. The first thing I love about this mop and bucket set is that it comes with a wet and dry side within the bucket. So basically you fill the wet side with water and either your favorite cleaning solution or some soap and vinegar. And then you have the dry side to squeeze out any excess water so that you can control how wet the mop is while you're cleaning, which is one thing I just absolutely love about this mop set. The other thing that's great about the separate compartments is that it helps get any excess hair or debris off of the mop before you're cleaning your floor, which is great. The next thing I love about this particular mop is the mop flat head, and it has a 360 rotation on it, which is awesome for uneven surfaces or to get back into those pesky corners that are hard to get with regular mops. And you'll also notice that this is a reusable microfiber pad on the mop head, and it actually comes with 5 of these reusable pads, which is great, so you can swap them out when needed and reuse them. It also allows for you to do dry cleaning too on different floor types. So you don't necessarily have to use the wet side of the mop. You can just use this to pick up hair and other debris on the floor. And then the other thing I just absolutely love about this mop is that all of the pieces come apart and they're super compact, so they fit right into this bucket, which is absolutely great for storage. You don't have to worry about where you're gonna lean the mop against or if it's gonna fall over. It all fits right into the bucket, which I absolutely love. Now, a few things to know before purchasing. First of all, the handle is adjustable, but it's not adjustable in a slider sense. It's adjustable because all of the pieces come apart and you can change the height. So it's not quite as flexible if it was a slider adjustment. But that being said, I personally love this design because of that storage aspect that I was talking about. Because all the pieces come apart, you can easily fit it into the bucket. So I like that aspect, but so you know, that is how you adjust it. And the other thing to know is that to move the mop bucket around, there is only one handle on it. It is very lightweight, even with it filled to max fill line, but it is important to know that this side is not a handle. This side is the actual lock for taking the wet dry top on and off. So you only have one handle on the bucket that you can use to move it around. Overall, I absolutely love my JOYMOOP mop. It is one of my favorite pieces of cleaning equipment with the microfiber cloths, which are really lovely to clean with and nice and environmentally friendly, plus the multiple compartments that allows me to have a squeaky clean floor, along with the really easy storage to put everything away. Makes it just one of my favorite mops that I've ever owned. So I know you'll enjoy it, and happy cleaning.